Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, that is RNH Education, and I am Ravindra with a new topic, that is biology for WBCS. In this video I have selected 25 MCQ with answer. So let us start the slide. Okay, the first slide, that is question number 1. Ordinary table salt is sodium chloride. What is baking soda? Options are A. Potassium chloride, B. Potassium carbonate, C. Potassium hydroxide, and D. Sodium bicarbonate. Let's see the answer. The answer is option D, that is sodium bicarbonate. Okay, and the next one, question number 2, that is ozone hole refers to. Options are A. Hole in ozone layer, option B. Decrease in the ozone layer in troposphere, option C. Decrease in thickness of ozone layer in stratosphere, and option D. Increase in the thickness of ozone layer in troposphere. Now see the answer. The answer is option C, that is decrease in thickness of ozone layer in stratosphere. Okay, now the next one, that is question number 3. Pine, fir, spruce, cedar, larch, and cypress are the famous timber yielding plants, of which several also occur widely in the hilly regions of India. All these belongs to. Options are A. Angiosperms, B. Gymnosperms, C. Monocotyledons, and D. Dicotyledons. Now see the answer. The answer is option B, that is gymnosperms. Okay, and the next one, the next question, that is question number 4. Pollination is best defined as. Options are A. Transfer of pollen from anther to stigma, option B. Germination of pollen grains, option C. Growth of pollen tube in ovule, and option D. Visiting flowers by insects. Let us see the answer. The answer should be A. The answer is option A, that is transfer of pollen from anther to stigma. And the next one, the next question, that is question number 5. Plants receives their nutrients mainly from. Options are A. Chlorophyll, option B. Atmosphere, option C. Light, and option D. Soil. The answer should be D. Let's see the answer. The answer is D, that is soil. And the next one, that is question number 6. Movement of cell against concentration gradient is called. Options are A. Osmosis, B. Active transport, C. Diffusion, and D. Passive transport. Let's see the answer. The answer is option B, that is active transport. Here I have given an explanation that is called solution. Actually, active transport, this is the only transport method that can move species against their concentration gradient from low to high concentration. Facilitated diffusion only moves species down their concentration gradient from high to low concentration. Okay, is it clear? Okay, done. The next one, the next question, that is question number 7. Photosynthesis generally takes place in which parts of the plant? Options are A. Leaf and other chloroplast bearing parts, B. Stem and leaf, option C. Roots and chloroplast bearing parts, and option D. Bark and leaf. Let's see the answer. The answer is option A, that is leaf and other chloroplast bearing parts. Now the next one, the next question, that is question number 8. Most fish do not sink in water because of the presence of. There are 4 options: swim bladder, air bladder, air sacs, air in spongy bones. And options are A. 1 and 2 are correct, option B. 2 and 3 are correct, option C. 3 and 4 are correct, and option D. 1, 2, 3 and 4 are correct. Let's see the answer. It should be 1 and 2. Let's see the answer. The answer is option A, that is 1 and 2 are correct. Okay, now the next one, the next question, that is plants synthesis protein from. Options are A. Starch, B. Sugar, C. Amino acid, and D. Fatty acid. Okay, the answer should be C. Let's see the answer. The answer is option C, that is amino acid. Okay, and the next one, the next question, that is question number 10. Plants absorb dissolved nitrates from soil and convert them into. Options are free nitrogen, B. Urea, C. Ammonia, and D. Protein. Actually, plants absorb the dissolved nitrates from the soil and they makes it free nitrogen. Okay, the answer should be A, free nitrogen. Let's see the answer. The answer is option A, that is free nitrogen. And the next one, the next question, that is question number 12. One of the following is not a function of bones. Options are A, place for muscle attachment, B, protection of vital organs, C, secretion of hormones for calcium regulation in blood and bones, D, production of blood corpuscles. So the question is, one of the following is not a function of bone. Actually, I have seen that the answer should be C, secretion of hormones for calcium regulation in blood and bones. Let's see the answer. The answer is option C, that is secretion of hormones for calcium regulation and blood and bones. Okay. Now the next one, the next question, that is question number 12. Plants absorbs most part of water needed by them through the air. Options are embryonic zone, B, growing point, C, root hairs, and D, zone of elongation. I think it should be option C. Let's see the answer. The answer is option C, that is root hairs. And the next one, the next question, that is question number 13. Photooxidation is, option A is photorespiration, option B, photolysis, option C, light and oxygen induced breakdown, and D, all of the above. Photooxidation means actually all of these, A, B, and C. Let's see the answer. The answer is option D, that is all of the above. And the next one, the next question, that is question number 14. Process of cell division can take place by, options are A, heterosis, option B, fusion, option C, mitosis, and D, none of these. We everybody know this mitosis is a process of cell division. So the answer should be C. Let's see the answer. The answer is C, that is mitosis. And the next one, the next question, that is question number 15. Most highly intelligent mammals are. There are four options. Option A is whales, option B, dolphins, option C, elephants, and D, these kangaroos. Okay, let's see the answer. The answer is, it should be B, dolphin. Okay, the answer is B, that is dolphin. Now the next one, the next question is number 16. Plant development is influenced by. Options are A, quality of light only, B, quality and quantity of light, option C, quality and duration of light, and option D, quality, quantity, and duration of light. You already have understood that it should be D, that is quality, quantity, and duration of light. Let's see the answer. The answer is option D, that is quality, quantity, and duration of light. And the next one, the next question, that is question number 17. Prokaryotic cells lack. Options are A, nucleus, B, nuclear membrane, and C, membrane bound by organelles, and D, all of these. Actually, prokaryotic cells lack of nucleus, nuclear membrane, and membrane bound by organelles. It should be D, all of these. Now see the answer. The answer is option D, that is all of these. Now the next one, that is question number 18. Photosynthesis takes place faster in. Options are A, yellow light, B, white light, C, red light, and D, darkness. The answer should be B, option B, white light. Let's see the answer. The answer is option B, that is white light. Here I have given a simple explanation. Let's see the solution. As far as the rate of photosynthesis is concerned, it is fastest in white light, making the rate of photosynthesis maximum. After white, we have violet light, where photosynthesis occurs to a higher extent as it has the shortest wavelength, hence has the maximum energy. Okay, hope you have understood this. I am going to next slide. The next question, that is question number 19. Nucleus, the genetic material containing rounded body in each cell, was first discovered in 1831 by. Options are A, Robert Hooke, B, Robert Brown, C, Rudolf Virchow, and D, Theodore Schwamm. Let's see the answer. The answer should be B, Robert Brown. Okay, the answer is Robert Brown. Now the next one, the next question, that is number 20. Primary phloem develops from. Options are A, lateral meristem, option B, protoderm, option C, extracellular cambium, and option D, provascular tissue. If you have any problem to understand the term of this biology, you may please consult dictionary. Okay. So the answer is option D, that is provascular tissue. Okay. Next question, that is number 21. Other than spreading malaria, anopheles mosquito are also vectors of, options are A, dengue fever, B, filariasis, C, encephalitis, and D, yellow fever. Okay. Now see the answer. The answer is B, that is filariasis. And the next question, that is question number 22. Plants that grow in saline water are called, options are A, halophytes, B, hydrophytes, C, mesophytes, and D, thallophytes. Now see the answer. The answer is option A, that is called halophytes. Now the next question, that is number 23. Pyorrhea is a disease of the, options are nose, option B, gums, option C, heart, option D, lungs. And the answer is, that is option B, that is gum. Okay. Here is a simple explanation, a solution. You must see it. Pyorrhea or periodontal disease, to give it a proper medical term, is a disease of the gums. It is one of the most widely prevalent diseases. It affects the membrane surrounding the roots of the teeth and leads to loosening of the teeth, pus formation, and shrinkage of the gum. This disease is the primary cause of tooth loss among adults. Okay. Hope you have understood this. Now we are going to next slide. The next question, that is question number 24. Oxygen released in the process of photosynthesis comes from, options are A, CO2, option B, water, option C, sugar, option D, pyruvic acid. This is a very common question you have read in the academic level, I know. The oxygen comes from water. The answer should be B, that is water. Okay. And the next question, that is question number 25 and the last in this video. Placenta is the structure formed, options are A, by the union of fetal and uterine tissue, option B, by fetus only, option C, by fusion of germs layers, option D, none of these. If you have any problem with the term or biological term, you may please consult dictionary. Okay. Now we are going to see the answer. The answer is option A, that is by the union of the fetal and the uterine tissue. Okay friends, so this was the today's video. Hope you have enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching this RNH Education, and thank you for being a part of my YouTube family. Keep learning with me. Thank you so much. Thank you again, once again. Thank you so much. Thank you.